thinking to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Charlotte. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. So after being home for 2 months, I'm officially ready to pack and go back to college. I thought I would bring you along with me. The problem with this semester, like last semester, we don't have any breaks. And last semester I was in all online classes, so I could come home. This semester I have several that are like either hybrid, which is half and half online, half in person, or they're fully in person. So I'm not going to be able to pick up and just leave and come home if I need something. So I'm trying to pack as light as I can, but I'm trying to keep in mind I might not be able to come home until May. Last semester we didn't have a whole lot of functions and everything like that. We have had a lot in the past. Every year we've got all sorts of formals and date parties and swaps and all that kind of stuff that we do. But this past semester, because of COVID and all that, we really didn't do much. This semester we might be doing something. I don't really know yet, but I'm trying to pack as little as I can, but still pack for January to May weather, because in Mississippi it gets very hot. But right now it's cold. Like, it was snowing the other day, but then by May it's going to be like 90 degrees probably. However, that being said, I don't want to overpack and not be able to fit everything in my car, because it's just me. My parents aren't going down. I'm trying to keep it within like 10 bags, which seems like a lot. That's it. Let's get going. The first thing I'm going to do is my laundry, so let's get this downstairs. Okay, I have my pile on the floor. This might look like a lot, but like I said, I'm gonna be there for June through May. Like, it's gonna be a long time, and this is like the majority of what I'm gonna be taking. This is all of my pajamas, t-shirts, workout clothes, like everything. I just switched over my laundry, so I've got one load in the dryer and then my other load in the washer. Except for what's in those 2 loads of laundry, I have packed up everything that was in my dresser. Those are all the t-shirts I'm bringing and all my socks, and then this is like workout clothes, sweatpants, pajamas, sweatshirts, all that kind of stuff. I think next I'm gonna go ahead and get all of my makeup and hair stuff out of my desk and get that in a bag. This is the makeup bag that I love to use for my makeup. It's Vera Bradley and it folds out. It's got all these pockets. It's wonderful for packing up all the makeup that I'm going to take back with me. I'm in my bathroom. I'm going to start packing up everything that I need from in here. I know I'm gonna make fun of in the comments for this. I know my closet bar is bending. I literally have the support brace right here. We're gonna install it as soon as I get some clothes out of here. I'm gonna try to bring maybe like only 2/3 of this, and obviously not as many of the shoes. Since my sister and I are the same shoe size, we share a lot of these shoes, so I will not be bringing all of my shoes, but I do need a good bit of clothes. Here's my dilemma with the clothes. I know that the majority of the time I'm at school, I'm going to be in t-shirts or my gym clothes or something that's not a hanging item of clothes. However, I have a hard time not bringing them because My friends and I still go out to eat, usually once a week-ish, and we always dress up and like take pictures, and just because we're locked up in the house, like we want to get out and do things, and like that makes us feel better. And also I'm trying to get a job this semester, and I'm assuming that any kind of job I'm gonna get is gonna require me to look nicer than wearing a t-shirt. So I'm gonna actually need to bring a decent bit of clothes. I'm not really like too stressed about it. I'm gonna try to bring what I feel is an appropriate amount, but I'm not gonna like beat myself up if I think it's too much. Like, it is what it is. Here's what I think I'm gonna bring. And that probably still looks like a lot, but like I said, 4 months. I'm gonna be working, I'm gonna be going out to dinner and things like that, and maybe sometimes I just wanna dress up. I'm also gonna actually be able to go to classes sometimes, so I'm gonna need some like warm sweaters like this and stuff. For reference, I really do think that I did pare down like a lot. Like I feel like I left a good bit, which is hard. I love you, but I don't need you. Here are the shoes I'm gonna take. It's about 20 pairs, and then I have one more pair of like white Puma tennis shoe sneakers that I cannot find anywhere. They are literally my favorite shoes. They would be right there. I kind of laid them out by type. These are all shoes that I actually do wear and that I will wear. Update, I found my shoes. I officially think I have everything packed. Here are my shoes. Also, I just put up some drywall over there, so ignore the patches. All my hanging clothes that I'm taking. And then I've got several bags. These 3 are clothes. That's my cooler that I've got to paint. My vinyl supplies. I've got my bathroom stuff, like my hot tools and hair things, and then just a few random things in this bag and my backpack. So I know I'm not packing the lightest, but I feel like I have what I will need for the 4 months I'm going to be at college. I've loaded my car. My room is looking kind of empty. I'll make my bed in a minute. Okay, everything is loaded in the car. Let's get going. Oh, I can't believe I actually have a gap that I can see out of my back window. Isn't that just fantastic? See, look at that. Look, isn't that amazing? My passenger seat is loaded too, and this box is all of my boyfriend's Christmas stuff that he left at my house. So it had to go up here. There was literally no more room for it back there, and it's so heavy that I had to buckle it in. Ride safe. Puppy dog. Puppy, come here. Oh, sweet Pippa. Come here. Mommy's not leaving. I'm leaving. Mommy's not going anywhere. Mommy's not the one leaving. That will conclude my Pack With Me video. Thank you for tuning along, and I'll see you back at college. Bye.